Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a new programming language fast. Begin by grasping the core concepts that are common across many languages, such as data types, control flow, and functions. Don't try to learn multiple languages simultaneously. Dedicate your focus to one. Consistent, daily practice with small coding challenges will build a strong foundation quickly and efficiently. The most effective way to solidify your understanding is by actively building projects. Begin with very simple applications like a Hello World program, and then progressively tackle more complex tasks. This hands-on approach helps you see how concepts work in practice. Don't hesitate to consult official documentation and online tutorials. They are invaluable learning tools. Learning is often faster when you're not alone. Join online forums and communities where you can ask questions and learn from others' experiences. There are countless video tutorials and articles available that can clarify difficult topics. Also, explore various libraries and frameworks within your chosen language to broaden your skill set and understand its full capabilities. Consistency is key to mastering any new skill. Regularly review the concepts you've learned to ensure they stick. Challenge yourself with new coding problems each week to keep your skills sharp and expand your problem-solving abilities. A great way to truly understand something is to try and explain it to someone else. This process often reveals gaps in your own knowledge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.